Are you tired of the clutter in your space? Does the thought of sorting through piles of stuff make you feel overwhelmed? Well, not to worry. Today we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to declutter your space and create a more organized, stress-free environment. Step 1. Assess your situation. Take a moment to look around. What are the areas that need the most attention? Is it your wardrobe stuffed with clothes you rarely wear? Or is it your kitchen, overflowing with unused gadgets? Identify these areas and make a list. Step 2. Make a plan. Now that you know where the problem lies, it's time to decide on your approach. Will you tackle one room at a time or one category at a time? Will you spend a whole weekend decluttering or spread it over several days? Make a plan that suits your schedule and stick to it. Step 3. Get sorting. Here's where the real work begins. Sort through your items and divide them into 4 categories: keep, donate, sell, and trash. Be ruthless. If you haven't used something in over a year, chances are you don't need it. Step 4. Find a home for everything. Now that you've sorted through your items, it's time to organize. Ensure that everything you've decided to keep has a designated place. This will make it easier to maintain your newly decluttered space. Step 5. Dispose of unwanted items responsibly. Remember those donate, sell, and trash piles? Now's the time to deal with them. Donate items to charity, sell those in good condition, and responsibly dispose of the rest. Step 6. Maintain your success. Congratulations, you've decluttered your space, but remember, decluttering is not a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. Make it a habit to regularly reassess your space and get rid of items you no longer need. So to recap, assess your situation, make a plan, get sorting, find a home for everything, dispose of unwanted items responsibly, and maintain your success. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a clutter-free, organized, and stress-free space. Remember, decluttering isn't about getting rid of everything you own. It's about making room for the things that truly add value to your life. So take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and start decluttering. You'll be surprised at how liberating it feels to let go of the clutter and embrace the freedom of a simplified space.